Welcome to another video from Improve E-commerce. So today's video, I'll share how to inactive status for your Google ads for this Google ad conversation tracking. Okay, so you can see this. First of all, I can see add to cart is inactive and begin checkout for this inactive. Okay, so how to resolve this option? So maximum Google adds this problem, this inactive issue. So first of all, you can do troubleshooting. Then we do track installation for this open your tab. Then you connect your website, tag an assistant, test your conversation action triggering your website, and when you are done, close and tag assistant will refresh the conversation page for the status of conversation action. So you can continue then checking. Okay. So first of all, I can checking this how to react to this one. So first of all, you can click the add to cart. Okay, your to cart. Going to this section, this text setup. Okay. So three option this हो गया. First of all, you can checking the install and the yourself and this email the tag and use the Google Tag Manager. I can choose and prepare this Google Tag Manager account. So first I'm clicking the Google Tag Manager. Okay. Then I see if it's an instruction for this the Google using Tag Manager or the track and add to cart conversation tracking. Okay. So I can see this conversation ID and conversation level, all everything. Okay. So first of all, you can make sure at this the conversation link your tag is all of the web page. Okay. So first of all, you can going to this Google Tag Manager, then going to this new. So first of all, the tag or add new tag. Okay. I'm click the tag, then new, then add configuration. Go in this and add Google Ads and this Google Ads configuration tracking. Okay. So on this conversation ID, I am my conversation ID already input this measurement, then going to this Google Ads conversation ID. So this Google Tag conversion ID is constant mode. Okay. So you can see I already import this one. And then I'm the Google Tag conversion ID and then conversion level. So I'm going to the Google Ads. This is the conversion ID. I need the conversion ID already import. This is the conversion level. This conversion level, just copy and paste. Okay. Then conversion value. The conversion value always this option is conversion value. I can see this total value. Total value. Then transaction ID. Okay, this is the transaction ID. I can see this conversion ID and transaction ID. And then currency code. I can see this USD, then currency, and then you can see deal with data layer from this currency. Okay. So it's finally then you can need this triggering. This trigger, what is the which page? The it will be basically add to cart. So make this add to cart. Okay, add to cart event. So fire my add to cart event, then save, and then add to cart event. There's a tracking add to cart event. Add to event. Okay, then save. So already conversion link are all everything, all pages. So you can see this. First of all, this is on 44 minutes ago. Then for geo for tag, then folder. Then okay, and Google Ads conversion tracking this add to cart and purchase event all are everything. So now now need this another one. This tray again. This one going to this. Okay, Google again going to this Google. Then first goal done ourselves and add to cart. Okay, begin checkout. Click the begin checkout. The same system. You can see this Google track and Google conversion ID. This already everything. Conversion ID Google Ads going to this Google conversion tracking and conversion ID. This measurement already saved. My measurement now I need this Google Track Manager ID. Then conversion level, I can see this level, just put the value, not value. This is the conversion level. I can see this level, again checking the level, the conversion level, just copy and put, then value, its value, total value, then transaction ID, my transaction ID. Okay, then currency code, this one, my currency code is currency, right? This currency, right? Then triggering my all page, no need this one, begin checkout. Okay, So I can see this begin checkout event. Okay, and then save, then begin ads conversion tracking. Begin. Sorry. Out. Begin checkout page, then save. Okay, then submit. Then already two workspace, then it's published, then continue. Okay, my Google Ads conversion tracking for this one already done. I have waiting for 1 hour or 2 hour, then active and waiting for this result. Active, active, active. I can checking this again. Just refresh this page as soon as possible. Active, no. Just wait, no problem. I need only for 30 minutes or 1 hour, then automatically active the status for this my begin checkout and add to cart and purchase event. Okay. It is very easy, very simple, no problem. If you need any problem, face the problem or everything need, this is just to contact my WhatsApp number. I can help you everything and paid service. Thank you everyone. See this video and when next video upcoming as soon as possible, just subscribe my channel and share my this one. Thank you everyone, and see you next video.